Now we're continuing with more sophisticated print statements that demonstrate advanced F-string techniques. We've got print F quote, mathematician form data, open square bracket, single quote, mathematician single quotes closing, closing square bracket, closing curly brace, closing double quote, and closing parentheses. This line is showing nested dictionary access within an F string. Inside the curly braces, we're using form underscore data with the brackets and the single quote mathematician inside of those to extract the mathematician's name from our nested dictionary structure. This might display something like mathematician, Charles Howard Hinton, 1904. But then we get to something really advanced, a multi-line F string. This demonstrates professional code formatting for complex string displays. Notice how Python automatically concatenates adjacent string literals when you have multiple F strings on consecutive lines. Python joins them seamlessly into one output. Each line accesses deeply nested dictionary data. We have entity going into current 4D position going into X. It goes into the entity dictionary, then into the current 4D position subdictionary, then gets the X coordinate. The :1f formatting ensures each coordinate displays with exactly one decimal place. So instead of showing -47.38269, we would get -47.4, creating cleaner, readable output. The result is professional scientific formatting: 4D position, 47.3, -82.1, 15.7, -63.4, displaying all four spatial dimensions in a clean parenthetical format. This multi-line approach makes complex F strings readable while maintaining sophisticated data access. Instead of one enormous unreadable line, we break it across multiple lines for clarity, while Python handles the concatenation automatically.